Hi, I'm Brett Parker, multimedia specialist for the National Provisioner. And today we're focusing on Tyson Foods, who've released a new Buena Mesa food line, which offers 22 flavor loaded items that are pre seasoned, vacuum packed, and ready to cook at home. From seasoned fajitas, al pastor, beef barbaroca, and queso with chorizo and pico de gallo, there's something for everyone looking to create their favorite flavor packed Hispanic dishes at home. Here to discuss this is Chef Ali Serna-Cardona, Retail Innovation Senior Chef at Tyson Foods. Chef Ali, thank you so much for joining us today.
Yes, thank you for having me.
Can you tell us the inspiration behind the Buena Mesa line?
Yeah, definitely. So a lot of the inspiration came from Tex-Mex cuisine, but not just Tex-Mex, but also just Amerimix, if I were to label that, where we got inspiration from California, New Mexico, Arizona, pretty much all the states that pretty much are right on the border of Mexico. And a lot of it has to do with a lot of the seasoned and marinated items that are just coming up in popularity and really how can we get convenience in front of our customers. So a lot of the flavors, obviously we noticed we had a gap with Latino flavors. So that's where we really drove our inspiration, really getting a lot of those nuances from Tex-Mex, a lot of good cumin, chili spices, some citric from lemon and oranges. Overall, I love this whole entire line. And yeah, my mouth is always watering when I start talking about Buena Mesa.
What makes this item different from other ready to cook items on the market?
So I will definitely say with the team that I worked with, we had such a multitude of diverse voices in really coming together and trying to get as close to authentic as we can, because that's one of those challenges too, where we want to create this really awesome, delicious meal for our customers and being able to make it convenient and staying as true to we can to its authentic flavor. So a lot of it has to do with like really preparing what we our gold standards and then going off of that and making sure we stay on top of those markers. So I definitely say that's one of the biggest key points.
What was the biggest challenge of cultivating meats for a ready to cook product?
Yeah, I think there's a couple of different challenges too, going back to that authenticity and trying to hit those right notes. Because, I mean, coming from the Hispanic culture myself, whenever I make something, we always have a lot of people who say, well, I would want it this way or this way. Different cultures and regions that kind of mesh together. You want those like right profiles to come through. So I think what we did is what we wanted to hit a really true middle ground with these where they are as true to what they can be to their flavor profiles, going back to the gold standards, the right amount of chilies and the right amount of lime notes, and really hitting those profiles just right and being able to make this accessible, affordable, and delicious for our customers. So that all of that are challenges within the self. And I think with this team, we definitely accomplished that.
Has crafting this new line taught you anything new about the art of creating a meat product?
What is definitely set the tone for what we want to aim towards for a lot of even new products that we head towards, whether it continually is on more Mexican inspired flavor dishes or if it is going broadly with other Latino and Hispanic type flavor profiles and really like honing in on those like nuanced flavors that kind of differentiates us a little bit more on the market and really being able to hit a vast multitude of consumers, not just the Latino community, but a lot of our different cultures who just want to try something new. Global inspiration is always such a big thing that's coming up and trending. So really continuously being on top of that is what keeps us on our toes and want to make sure we're continuously learning.
Do you plan on adding any other kinds of meat to the Buena Mesa line in the near future?
Oh, definitely. We're touching upon a ton of different types of cooking methods as well. A lot of the products that we currently have are made for like skillet, grill, flat stone so sorry, flat top griddles, and really kind of touching on other types of cooking equipment that we see in the normal consumer, whether it could be air fryer or the slow cooker and pressure cooker. So really, we're touching on every single protein, both all chicken, beef, and pork, and also exploring other Hispanic and Latino flavors.
Well, sounds very delicious.
Yeah.
Well, that's all the time that we have for today. Chef Ali Serna-Cardona of Tyson Foods, thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you for having me, and I hope everyone who's in the market in Texas definitely grab those Buena Mesa products and try them out.
And thank you all for watching.